Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Corolla alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and the engine is completely cool. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, identify the alternator's location, usually on the passenger side, and prepare your tools for the task ahead. Now, let's disconnect the electrical connections. You'll find a main power wire attached to the alternator's output stud, usually secured with a 12mm nut. Carefully remove this nut and detach the wire. Then, locate and unplug the multi-pin electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips or wiring. With the electrical connections free, it's time to address the serpentine belt. Locate the belt tensioner, which typically has a 14mm or 19mm bolt. Loosen this bolt to release the tension on the belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Remember the belt's routing path. Taking a quick photo can be very helpful for reassembly. Finally, we'll remove the mounting bolts. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts, often 12mm or 14mm, holding the alternator to its bracket. Remove these bolts completely. Sometimes the alternator can be a bit stuck, so a gentle pry with a small pry bar might be necessary to free it. Once loose, carefully maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.